Storing your firearms safely and securely should be the priority of your hunting trip. Getting to your favorite spot is the simple part. What's difficult is making sure you have a way to transport your firearms safely. Great Day's Quick Draw UTV Overhead Gun Rack gives you a way to keep your weapons close at hand, but still having them out of the way. This gun rack is one of the easiest ones to install. The rack is secured to the roll bars on the underside of your UTV's roof. It takes only a minute to have it up and in use. No bolting, drilling, or any extra tools are required. The installation position has been thought of very carefully to provide security and ease of access. The rack can hold 2 weapons in its soft gun grips, secured by premium quality Velcro. An overhead gun rack for transporting firearms safely might sound like something that might be heavy and menacing, but it's not. Weighing only 5 pounds, the rack is extremely lightweight, and this further facilitates the no drill and no bolts installation. A key offering on this rack is a super soft rubber gun clip. The clips not only ensure safe and secure transport for your firearms on your hunting trips, but also provide easy and quick access. Since the rack is secured to the underside of your UTV's roof, you might want to carefully measure the distance between the frame bars before you pick up the appropriate gun rack suited for you and your UTV. Pick one up today at everythingpolarisranger.com.